If you're already working out every day or at least every week, this video might not be for you. But if you want to develop a routine where you work out at least 3, 4, 5, maybe 7 times per week, then keep watching this video. Because I've found a way to work out consistently every day. And the way to do that is, instead of working out an hour or 2 at the gym, we take the workout home and use only your body weight. No equipment is needed here. The only thing we need to do is go and follow Chris Harrier. He's an insane calisthenic dude. So calisthenics is where you only use your body weight, like push-ups and pull-ups and squats and sit-ups and your body weight. And by doing only 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 15 or 20, or depending on how much energy you have or how much time you have, you can actually work out every single day. So I suggest that you go check out Chris Harrier. You can find him under Thenix, THENX, and check out his workout routines where he have all these workouts like feeling lazy. Do this full body workout right now. You can do that workout if you're feeling lazy and tired, and it takes maybe 15 minutes, and you can do, there's burpees and lunges, switching lunges, explosive. There's a lot of exercises you can do at home for free, no equipment needed. 12-minute fat burning workout to get shredded if you want to build get some of that fat away from your body. You can get a 6-pack with chairs. So there's a lot of workouts here in this app, and they are completely free. And you press it and press start, and then it goes with 15 seconds rest, maybe 30 or 45 seconds rest in between the exercises. And that way you can quickly get it done. So when you come home from your school or your work and you're tired and you don't feel like going all the way to the gym, or you don't feel like running an hour or doing all that stuff, just get down at the floor and do some fucking bicycles for 45 seconds. Sometimes when I'm tired and I don't want to work out, I do these 6-minute workouts where it's abs maybe, and after that I'm sweaty, I'm much more energized, and I've worked out and I feel my muscles. They are developing slowly, but instead of just going once per week or twice and going all in and being sore the entire week, you choose one muscle group and work out that muscle group 10, 15, 20 minutes. The next day you choose another muscle group, maybe legs. The next day biceps and triceps, and then the abs, and then you can repeat that. Developing your relationship with your body and developing the ability to use your body like it's meant to be used, climbing trees and like little monkeys, using your monkey hands and your monkey body. So that way you can work out every single day, and consistency is key. You can like flowing water through the like water can cut through a mountain, stones. With time, it's that saying did not go well. how the quote was, but like something about those lines, like with enough time, water can cut through the hardest material, like stone. And you can, with consistency and just a little effort every single day, get to where you want to go, with your body at least. And I think that's the same thing with a lot of other things here in life, like reading. If you just read 5 minutes every day in a book, you develop your reading speed and your reading habit, and then slowly over time you've read an entire book. So that's amazing. So I think that's the advice for today. If you're tired after a long day at work, try to do a 5-minute workout. Follow the Chris Harrier calisthenics app. I just realized I didn't put the recording on today. That sucks. So the audio might be lesser than great, but that's okay. I think this camera could catch my voice. Yes, we are imperfectly perfect. Remember that you are imperfectly perfect, just as you are. No matter if you don't hit the record button on your voice recording device, or miss a day at working out, or ordering food out or something. It's okay. Just get back up again tomorrow and try again. And keep pushing. Don't give up. Never give up. You can do it. I believe in you, and I encourage you to believe in yourself, because you are magical and you are wonderful. So remember to breathe deeply. Have an amazing day. See you in another video. Peace.